Hi guys, in this lesson, I'll show you how to use cell references to create simple formulas because one of the most powerful features in Excel is the ability to calculate numerical information using formulas. Just like the calculator, Excel can add, subtract, multiply, and divide. So now, we will go to our Excel file to show some simple demonstration in calculating using formulas. Excel uses standard operators for formulas such as plus sign for addition, a minus sign for subtraction, an asterisk for multiplication, and a forward slash for division. It also uses caret for exponents. All formulas in Excel must begin with an equals sign. This is because the cell contains the formula itself and the value it calculates. To understand cell references, I'll show you some demonstration. While we can create simple formulas in Excel using numbers, for example, equals 2 plus 2, that is a simple formula, and it is equals 4, and 5 times 5, also a simple formula using numbers. Most of the time, you will use cell addresses to create formula. This is known making cell reference. Using cell references, it will ensure that our formulas are always accurate because you can change the value of reference cell without having to rewrite the formula. So, example. For example, we have 5 and 2 in cell A1 and A2. In cell A3, we will create a formula using cell references. We will add A1 and A2. So, A1 plus A2. That is called cell references. When you press enter, the formula calculates and displays the answer in cell A3. So, 5 plus 2 is equals to 7. If the value change in the cell reference, the formula automatically recalculates. For example, we will update the value of A2 to 6. The formula automatically recalculates. The cell A3 is now 11. By combining a mathematical operators and a cell references, we can now create a variety of simple formulas in Excel. Formulas can also include a combination of cell references and a numbers. For example, equals A1 plus 3. So, 3. So, if we add value to A1, it will recalculate. 23 plus 3 is equals to 26. Another example is in B1, we will add 20, and in B2, we will add a formula B1 divided by 5. So, 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4. In the next video, we will try to create some more formulas.